This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut. Then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Although not necessary, easier access to the drive belt may be obtained if the right front wheel is removed. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the right front wheel. Remove or reposition the fender well splash shield as necessary. Loosen the alternator mounting bolt. Loosen the adjuster locking bolt, then turn the adjuster bolt counterclockwise and pivot the alternator to loosen the belt. When it is sufficiently loose, slip the belt off the pulleys. If the belt is still not loose enough to slip it off a pulley, it may help to remove the idler pulley. Remove the drive belt from the engine. Install the belt over the pulleys, making sure it's routed correctly. Also make sure the belt is evenly seated onto all the pulley grooves. If removed, install the idler pulley. Tighten the idler pulley bolt securely. With the alternator mounting bolts and adjuster locking bolt loose, turn the adjuster bolt clockwise to apply tension to the belt. Tighten the adjuster bolt until the belt deflects no more than 1/4 of an inch when around 20 pounds of force is applied to the longest belt run. Once the belt has reached the specified tension, tighten the alternator adjuster locking bolt and mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Reposition the fender well splash shield as necessary and secure it with any fasteners. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps, applying firm pressure to secure them in place. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.